Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making chocolate souffle. It's easy and delicious. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Warm a closed jar of Nutella if it is stiff to stir. Then put the tablespoons of Nutella in a mixing bowl. I will leave a list of ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Press where it says more. Add the eggs and the flour. Mix until they are all well blended. If you are new to this channel or you are a regular guest, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It is free to subscribe. Check for the dry patches using a spatula. Pour the batter into the ramekins. I had to make another batch of the batter because there were 5 of us. Adding chocolate chips is optional. Put the ramekins in a hot pan, baking pan or a skillet. Then bake them for 9 minutes. The skillet was warmed when I preheated the oven. Dust the souffle with powdered sugar or what we call icing sugar. Garnish them with soft fruit or mint leaves. That's optional. Serve them immediately. For support, please press the like button and leave your comment below. Tell me your thoughts about this recipe. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.